Hey guys, this is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be taking you to one of the famous tourist attractions near Las Vegas. 7 Magic Mountains. Yes, this piece of art is not located in any museum. Instead, it is openly situated in the desert of Nevada. And you should check out this place whenever you are on a way to Vegas. This place is approx 26 miles or say 40 kilometers from Vegas. And it will take around 30-40 minutes to reach there. Here, there are no entrance fees and no parking fees as well. There is enough space for parking, so not to worry. And the great thing is that you can bring your pets here. You can visit here any time of the day. But if you are planning a trip here, then I must say that you should visit this place during sunset and sunrise, so that you won't miss those great views and can capture lot of pictures and create many memories. This artwork was installed in 2016 and it has gained massive popularity due to the stunning visuals. As you can see, these are 7 colorful towers and they are more than 30 feet high. Don't forget to bring sunglasses and a hat. Remember, you are in a desert, so plan accordingly. You can also experience the fluctuation in temperature and strong winds during the day of your visit, so be prepared for that. It is created by renowned Swiss artist Ugo Rondinone, and these structures are made up of limestone. Behind this beautiful piece of art, there is an interesting concept of the mind. Yes, the natural and the artificial. The artist wanted to show the relationship between the natural and the artificial, or say man-made. He said that this location is physically and symbolically midway between the natural and the artificial. The natural is expressed by the mountain ranges, desert and Jean Dry Lake surrounded by the area. And the artificial is expressed by the highway and the constant flow of traffic between Los Angeles and Las Vegas. Amazing, isn't it?
bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you we're not young but we're still free and running, and this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pain.